Welcome. This video from xcelapp will show you how, from JavaScript, to make a phone call, check out our phone listener to see what's happening on the phone, even hang up the phone if you intercept a number that you don't want to respond to, and we'll take a look and see the call log API as well. So this is from our demo app, just a phone section here. We can make a phone call, hang up the phone. When we press this, we're going to use our prompt API. It's got a title in it, a message, the callback that you want to invoke when OK is pressed, a callback to invoke when cancel is pressed. So if the user or your client clicks OK, the control will go to do phone call. The value will be what they have entered, and then we're going to just say XA, which is our xcelapp API. Make phone call with that value. We've also added a phone listener in here. As you can see, that's a function down here. So when there's any change to the state of the phone at any time, and the state can be idle, off hook, meaning you're about to make a phone call, it's ringing, etc. The phone listener function will always get control. And here we can see, just quickly to talk about hanging up the phone. Let's say that there's an incoming call. The state would be ringing. And you can check for that in here, of course. And you can say if the number equals a number that you want to check. If this is not a number that you want to respond to, you can just say hang up phone, right? Which is our API, such as xa.hangupphone. We'll simply terminate that call immediately. But let's get back to making the phone call. So the prompt API here, again, we've got the title, got a message, some callbacks. False means it's a single line prompt. And just draw your attention here to the mask that you can use, XA text phone number. That will ensure that when the user is trying to type a number into the input area, that we're actually going to implement the phone number mask. Again, this is all native stuff. Excuse me. So let's make a phone call. And after this, we'll check out the call log, okay? Make a phone call. As you can see here, because we're using that edit mask, the numbers, we're just getting numbers here. We're not getting any kind of alpha. We just enter some kind of number in here, any number. It's just the emulator, so there's no phone call going to be made. Click done here. So I'm going to hit OK, and the phone should start dialing. There we are, it's dialing, as we can see. I'm going to hang up because there's nothing happening here. Send it. Okay, so now let me go back and we're going to take a look at getting the call logs. I'm just going to click back here. Again, this is running on the emulator, so it's a little slow, but that's okay. Call logs. This is going to use our call log API, which, as you can see in here, we just use the xa.getCallLogs. So if I get the call logs, I should see that last phone number that I dialed, and here we are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Type is outgoing. Duration was 4 seconds. Okay. So let me just check I'll just show you the actual API call. Here we are. Get call logs. So we get a call logs object. It's in JSON, so we parse it, and this is how we do it. We've got the timestamp, we've got the number, the type, ingoing, outgoing, and we have the duration. Okay, so pretty easy to use, as with all xcelapp APIs. Just a few lines of code gives you a lot of function, and that is making phone calls, intercepting the state of them with our phone listener, and getting the call logs, and interestingly, using the hang up function if you want to write some kind of screening app for yourself. Okay, thank you for your time.